I'm coming to you guys with another review. Now, more of an unboxing, I should say. So I got this hair from off of Aliexpress, and y'all know I love me some Aliexpress. Okay, so let me tell y'all the details. Should have that handy, guys. Anyway, so the vendor's name is NA Style Official Store. So if you guys are interested in this hair, make sure y'all go check them out. Anyway, so I bought a 360. Guys, I've never tried a 360 before, so we gonna try that. Anyway, so it's an HD transparent invisible lace wig. It's supposed to be pre-plucked, bleached knots, and it's apparently a Peruvian. It's 14 inches, and we're about to unbox. Okay guys, I'm so excited to do this right now because I've never had a 360. All right. So let's see, shipping took about 3 days. I didn't have to pay for any customs fees or anything like that. I'm super excited. Okay, so they send it in this cute little box. NA Style. Shout out to NA Style for the cute little box. Not that I really care too much for how it's shipped, or how it's packaged, I should say. Okay, so we got us some little goodies. We like free stuff, y'all. Got me some eyelashes, some mink eyelashes, and I got a nice wig cap for y'all who like to use wig caps with your units. Okay. Now for the goodies. Woo! It's raining, it's Christmas. Okay, so let's see. Out of the box, instantly, let's see. How do I feel? Okay, it's still got the net on. Let's take this off. Okay, so it's curly, as y'all can see. It feels soft. I think I've had softed in this before though, I'm not even gonna lie. Maybe once I wash it, I'll be able to get a better feel of it. It does have the lace all the way around, and the color of this is like a nude color of the lace. Now, in terms of HD, I was watching some other videos and I was told that HD is similar to just the transparent units, the lace. So the HD laces are supposed to be super thin, guys. I think it could work. I think it could work. Get up close for y'all to see. See that? So we got us some curly wig, and let's see. The density, I think it was a 130. It is about 14 inches. I know, because I normally always just go for 14 inches. I'm not wowed, to be honest. So I'm not wowed. Okay, so in terms of the plucking, you can see that they did pluck it. So I'll show you guys. I don't know if you can see, but let's see. You can see that around it, you have a little bit of plucking going on there. Obviously, you'll have to pluck it to your liking. You may also have to tint the lace. Let's see, can I see the knots? Well, it does look bleached. Okay, not bad. Alright, y'all, it's not shiny, which I like. It's just right. The color is a 1B. Still haven't gotten any strand. Well, there we go. We got one strand. That's okay. I'm just interested to kind of see how this looks after I've actually washed and conditioned it. But they've got some combs inside. You get all around the circumference they have combs. So that's good. And I did get this on the Black Friday sale. So I got it for, how much did I pay? We're in Canada, so I paid $120. Anyway, so y'all are gonna have to come back and catch my next video where I'm showing you exactly how the wig looks on my head. Okay? Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. See ya.